All right, my marvelous meteorologists, now that you have gotten your pencil, crayons, and journal ready, let's find out what are we doing. Our instructions ask us to please watch this teacher video to draw and label 1, 2, 3 weather tools. Are you ready to get started? I am. Open up your journal and let's find a new clean page for weather tools today. Remember, if you've used this side, you can always come to the back page and use all the pages in your journal. Today, we start with the dates. It is 2/24, 2021. And we have how many tools to show today? 3. So I'm going to take my journal and separate with lines. I'm going to start on the bottom today. From the bottom, I'm going to count up 1, 2, 3, 4 lines and draw a line. Will you check your journal? Did you count 1, 2, 3, 4 and make a line? Great job. Then you want to go 1, 2, 3. Pretend there's one more, 4. And draw another line. I have 1, 2, 3 big rectangles now ready for my 1, 2, 3 tools. Do you have 3 lines? 3 boxes? Awesome. Let's go look at those tools one more time. You have these pictures in your slides if you want to come after my video and zoom up close and add more details. But everyone will need a label and a picture. Don't forget to add color. Our first tool today is the thermometer. Say it with me, thermometer. A thermometer is used to measure the what? Temperature. It can go up if it's hot or down if it's cold. I'm starting in my first box and I'm writing the word thermometer. Check out your screen, grab your pencil, and write it with me. T-H says th. Mom. Thermom. Check your word. Thermometer. Nice job. That's a lot of letters in that word, but you can do it. Now take a look at that thermometer picture. You have my thermometer here that looks the same. And start drawing your thermometer. There's red. There's a line to go up. And lots of lines like a ruler with numbers. We can add more details later. Let's sketch your quick picture. Beautiful. I'll add that red crayon detail a little later. After the thermometer, pause my video if you need more time. Our next tool is the wind sock. Say it with me. Wind sock. No stinky socks here. This is a flag that's in the shape of a tube. And it's got stripes. It looks kind of red, white, but usually it's orange. You can decide if yours is red or orange, but you will need to get a label and show a picture. I'm starting my label, wind sock. Check your screen. Sound it out. Wind. Wind. Finger. Sock. C-K. Wind sock. Now it's time for our quick picture. There's a flagpole. And I said it's like a tube. Long tube with stripes. And if you like to add details of wind blowing, you know I love details. Like I said, you'll add color to your picture. Your stripes can be orange or they can be red and white. Your choice. I'll add more color details later. So far, we have 2 tools done. Thermometer and windsock. One more to go. Do you remember what it is? Dun, dun, dun. The rain gauge. Say that with me, please. Rain gauge. Nice job. Grab your pencils. Check your screen. We want to spell rain gauge correctly. Repeat it and write it. Rain. Finger space. G, g, g. A-U-G-E. Gauge is a tough word. Check that you spelled it correctly. G-A-U-G-E. Rain gauge. Now check out that picture. You can also see my rain gauge, very similar. It has to be open at the top. Raindrops falling in. Lines to measure how much rain falls. Everybody start your quick picture. And show me those lines. How do you measure the rainfall? How much rain is in your rain gauge? Grab your blue crayon and show me. Rain has been falling. How much did you catch? Color details always help, so we can show what's happening in our illustrations. I've got some raindrops, some rain in my gauge, and now I'm ready to add more color to all of my pictures. If you don't have your 3 labels, pause your video, go back and add these weather tool names. I'm going to go get more color for my journal, but first let's check, what do you have to turn in today? We have 1, 2, 3 weather tools. You have 1, 2, 3 pictures, 1, 2, 3 labels, and today's date. I've got to come add more color details. Hopefully you are going to take your time and show me more color details now too. And when you're done, take a picture, upload to your teacher and Google Classroom. Nice work today, meteorologists. I'll see you tomorrow to do a weather report. Adios.